Hola Amigos, we are The Roots. In this vlog, we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. So please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, what is going on now?
If you paid attention to prior videos, you may have noticed that we actually need more room or space to work on the bus and a secure location for tools and equipment. So we decided we have to move to another house.
Looks like we're moving. Isn't that awesome?
So what's going on, baby?
Well, those of you that are
Move
either
here.
experienced or even new to the van life or schoolie culture,
Yeah.
guess what? We have a neighbor who doesn't like us.
Yeah, because as you can see,
We have this big giant yellow school bus in our property. And he said, you know what? It's okay. It's great. I wanted to do the same thing. But the very next day he goes, I got a problem and I'm calling the cops. I'm going to call the city on you. So therefore we have to move.
awesome.
Such a lovely thing to deal with.
Yes.
Buy a new house, sell a house, move. Oh yes, and remodel.
Tell them your adventure today.
Oh, they'll get to see it. I
Okay.
have to put a stair in the attic.
And 170 degrees inside.
70 degrees in the attic.
Awesome.
Because remember, we live in Upper Hell, also known as Phoenix.
Yes. Oh, thank
No, Phoenix is not purgatory.
No, it's hell. Absolute hell. Say hi, Dan. I know. Look, Princess is here. Hi, cutie. Wow, 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 wow. What are you doing with that?
Wherever you want to put it. Just not in the driver's seat.
Behind the driver's seat?
Sure.
Okay. Thank God she's like a forklift. Yeah, this is our other project. Right there. First project. That's her car. Little Missy's car. Well, how was a little project this morning? Little project, pain in the butt. Traveling roots. So as you know, we have to buy a house, move out of our old house because we just have problems with the city and the neighbor. So this house came with no kitchen. So,
Yes, it did.
but yeah, but it was a piece of junk from the 80s, dude. It has mold, dude.
It had a kitchen.
Piece of junk. Kitchen. Regardless, no kitchen. We're doing a kitchen. We're fixing the kitchen. We're making a door from here to there. We're rearranging the whole enchilada so it's demo, baby. Woo!
This house is mostly block construction, so it has good bones. However, it was made during the 80s and it has all the original finishes of that era. There is, of course, not a really open floor flow of the space. No pantry, just a little closet in the back in the hallway, and the laundry completely unfunctional. So we decided to seal the hallway, demo that closet, seal that wall, create another opening in the kitchen to create a more even up space on the kitchen, create a pantry / laundry room.
Most of the kitchen, where we're gonna, that in there, we're gonna move it all the way here somewhere. That stays there. The dishwasher is gonna go here. Cabinets and cabinets. And there's gonna be a door right there. Right there. As you can see, we demoed most of it already. We just need to do framing. There's some damage on that wall, on the door frame. Replace it and add concrete in here. As you can see, there's a step down right here. All that. This is sunken. It's a space. So we're raising it up. We're fixing this connection in the washer machine, and then flipping this guy from this side of the stud to the other side of the stud. And then we're closing this opening and creating a pantry right in this space. So, and then we're patching a lot of tile on the floor. Luckily, we have a few pieces of tile that we think is enough to patch this kitchen. Hopefully, we won't screw it up on the cuts. And now the guys are working outside, trying to hold the patio cover where my office is going to be. All that space is going to be my office right there. So they need to hold that so we can frame and raise the floor 4 inches of concrete up and then frame it with J-bolts embedded on the concrete. That's Brian and Darren building a jack. So enlighten us, baby. What are you doing?
We are jacking up this side of the patio
Let me go back.
with these vertical supports here.
Okay.
And then we're going to build a load-bearing wall from this line all the way along here.
All the way to the corner. And raising the concrete by 4 inches.
So we're going to form a pad in this whole area tomorrow.
So, as it turns out, we opened a Pandora box. We were only planning to patch the flooring on the kitchen, but as we walk around the house and we were, doing some demo and stuff, we discovered that the tile was hollow underneath. So now we have to demo the whole tile and the whole flooring on the house. Therefore, now we have to remodel the bathrooms too. And as you can see, these things haven't been fixed since the 80s. Look at these doors. Look at that. So we started already with the demo. had to take all the trim off. So this is the tile that was fluffy and we thought a crack. Now we demo and demo and demo, all of us. So we have everything in one bedroom. All the bedrooms. All the bedrooms are full of our stuff. So fun. Oh well.
That's it for today, you guys. Thank you for hanging out with us. Please give us a big thumbs up, consider subscribing. Know that wherever you are in the world, we wish you good health. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.